Today's class I'm going to discuss about magnitude comparator. So what is magnitude comparator? It is a fundamental digital logic circuit used to compare two binary numbers and determine their relative size. After comparison, this circuit indicates whether one number is greater than, less than, or equal to other numbers. It is the basic operation of magnitude comparator. So today's class, I'm going to explain how this circuit will find A equal to B, A less than B, greater than B. So let me assume three cases. Case 1, A greater than B. So now A value is 13. 13 equivalent binary number 1101, B equal to 07, 7 equivalent binary number 0111. So this circuit expression is, this circuit follow the expression B plus A bar plus 1. So this circuit structure is like this expression. So B plus A bar plus 1. So now B value is 7. Just I write here 7. Then A bar value. So after complement of this number 0, 0, 1, 0, then plus 1. You just add these three numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1. Carry value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0. Sum is 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum is 1. So after addition, you don't get carry. So now carry value is 0. So now I substitute this value into the circuit. So A0 value is 1. A1 value 0. A2 value 1. A3 value 1. So likewise, you substitute the B value. So B value is 7. So 1, 1, 1, 0. This carry in is connect to VDD. So this symbol represent VDD. So it's a logic values, logic 1. So C in value is 1. This symbol represent full adder circuit. This magnitude comparator is consist of 4 full adder circuit and 5 inverter and 2 NOR gates. So now I add the 3 input value. So C in value is 1. A0 value is 1. So after the inverter, you will get the result 0. Then B0 value is 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0. Carry value 1. So this carry out is propagate to input of next full adder. So here the carry in value is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1. Carry also 1. Then A2 value is 1. So after taking 1's complement, you will get 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0. Carry value is 1. Then A3 value is 1. So after complement, you will get 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum is 1. C out value is 0. So far, we did the full adder circuit operation. So just you fetch the 3 input value, then you add, you find sum and carry value. This sum value is given to input of first NOR gate. So this sum value is given to input of first NOR gate. Here input value is 0, 1, then 0, 1. So what is the property of NOR gate? So property of NOR gate is all input is 0, output is 1, else output is 0. So now here the input is 1, 0, 1, 0. So the output of the first NOR gate is 0. So this 0 is assigned to A equal to B. So A equal to B is 0. So in this condition, A value is not equal to B. Then this 0 is given to input of second NOR gate. Then this C out is given to input of NOT gate. So after complement, you will get the result is 1. So this 1 represent A value is greater than B. This 1 represent A value is greater than B. So this output is given to input of the second OR gate. Now this terminal is connected to 1. So 1, 0, this output is 0. So in this circuit represent 3 output, A greater than B, A equal B, A less than B. In this 3 output, this output only is set to be 1. So A is greater than B. So this output only is set to be 1. So remaining these two outputs are false. So after comparison, the circuit will give the result A value is greater than B. So likewise, we will check another case. Case 2. A less than B. Let me assume A value. So A equal to 3, B equal to 5. So A value is 3, B value is 5. The manual calculation. So 3 less than 5. So A is less than B. The expression is B plus A bar plus 1. So this expression only follow the circuit. So B value is 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. A bar value. So after taking 1's complement, you will get the result 1, 1, 0, 0. Then plus 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum is 1. 1 plus 1. Sum 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0. Carry value 1. So previous operation carry value is 0. Now you will get the carry is 1. Let me substitute this value into the circuit. So A is 3, 1, 1, 0, 0. So after complement you will get the value 0, 0, 1, 1. Then B naught value 1, 0, 1, 0. So C in value connect to VDD. So C in equal to 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum is 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Sum is 1. Carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 1. Sum 0. Carry value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0. Sum 0. Carry value 1. So this 4 full adder sum is connected to input of this NOR gate. 0, 0, 1, 0. The output of the NOR gate is 0. So A is not equal to B. Then this 0 is given to input of second NOR gate. And another input get from this NOT gate output. So Cout is 1. This 1 is connected to inverter input. So after complement you will get the value 0. So in this case A is greater than B. It's also false. This 0 is given to second OR gate input 0, 0. The output of the NOR gate is 1. So here A less than B. So this case the result is A less than B. So likewise you will check another case. Case 3. A value 3. B value 3. So A is equal to B. So likewise you follow the manual calculation and substitute the value inside the circuit. You will analyze which output is mapped for the case. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.